Namaskar. Welcome to this episode of Inspire. Today I am going to talk about Sant Dnyaneshwar and his contributions to our literature and also to science. We all know about his spirituality. He was one of the greatest saints, poets, and philosophers of Maharashtra. At the age of 16 years itself, he had written the Dnyaneshwari, also known as Bhavartha Deepika, and also Amrutanubhav. Dnyaneshwari contains some very important observations about our earth and also about human physiology. Today I am going to share only those little 4 things with you. The first observation Sant Dnyaneshwar made was that the sun is stationary and the earth revolves around it. Sant Dnyaneshwar was born in the 13th century, whereas Copernicus was who proved that the earth revolves around the sun and that sun is stationary, proved it in the 15th century. And the worst is, Copernicus was stoned to death for proving so. In India, Sant Dnyaneshwar wrote in the 13th century, उदय अस्ताचे प्रमाणे जैसे न चालता सूर्याचे चालणे तैसे नैष्कर्म्यत्व जाणे कर्मीची असता. The sun does not move. Instead, it appears moving. The second thing that he said has stunned the physicians and the surgeons. He has written, शुक्र शोणिताचा सांधा मिळता पाचांचा बांधा वायू तत्व दशधा एकची झाले. The male reproductive cells, whom he refers to as Shukra, Shonit he refers to as the female reproductive cells. They are encased in the eggs. Now all this the physicians and the surgeons have come to know after we have discovered high power microscopes. At that time, Sant Dnyaneshwar had none at his disposal, but still he already has mentioned it in his works. The third important contribution of Sant Dnyaneshwar is the word Bhugol to the Maharashtra dictionary, to the Marathi dictionary. He has mentioned पृथ्वीये परमाणूंचा उगाणा घ्यावा तरी हा भूगोलेची काखे सुवावा तैसा विस्तारो माझा पहावा तरी जाणावे माते. These lines tell us that the earth is round, while the world was still debating whether the earth was flat or square. Sant Dnyaneshwar had already proved that it was round. The phenomenon of water evaporating, cloud formation, and then the same thing falling onto the earth as rain. Here also, Sant Dnyaneshwar has written lines in Dnyaneshwari. He has written about the force that the water particles have and the lightning and the electricity that they produce when they are together. तया उदकाची आवेशे प्रगटले तेच लखलखीत दिसे मग तया विजय माझी असे सलिलकाई. He says, I am the sun, and due to my heat I take away the water and convert it into cloud. In the form of God Indra, I fall on the earth as rain. मी सूर्याचे निवेशे तपे तेहे शोषे पाठी इंद्र होऊनी वर्षे मग पुरती भरे. In his compositions, which are known as the OVs, he talks about Brahmanda, he talks about various galaxies and the stars. He has also talked about the Mangal Graha, the Mars that was not even discovered at that time. How did Sant Dnyaneshwar know about all this at the age of 16 years? It is said that he was none other but the avatar of Bhagwan Vithala. Because of that only, he had known about all these things. While the other religions were busy fighting between science and spirituality, in India we quietly accepted what was given to us by the God or by the forms in which God came in front of us. We are indebted to these great saints of ours to bring to us the truth. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Inspire. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.